These food displays are really, really cute, but there are no directions on how to put this together, so I'm gonna show you real quick, but first, just a quick thank you to the seller for gifting me these so that I could show you them close up. So this is a 20 pack of the food displays, and it comes with 8 of these 3 tiers, and it also comes with a tray. Now these are really easy to put together, but I want to show you because there are no instructions that come with this, just so that you're aware. So it comes with a little bag that has the parts that you need for each of the tier displays. It's going to come with 3 pieces and then a bottom piece. You're just going to take the bottom piece and take your biggest plate, put the bottom piece in the bottom here, and then you'll take one of the middle pieces, and you can tell it's the middle because it's the only one without a fancy top. So you'll take the middle pieces and just screw that on, making sure that it's nice and tight so that it doesn't wobble. Then you're going to take your next plate, and this one goes on a little bit tighter, but you can kind of press it down nice and firm. So it should look like this. Take your next middle piece and screw that on. Then you'll take your last little dish, and that's going to go right on top. And you're going to go ahead and screw your top decorative piece on. Really, really easy to put together. They're really cute. They're going to make your setup just so nice and boutique-y and beautiful. These would be really good for weddings. If you have like a bridal shower or a baby shower, you have so many options that you can just really arrange the tables beautifully. You could have like charcuterie boards on here. You could even put together just 2 parts of this so that you have different layers. So you have maybe like a 2-tier one and a 3-tier one. Really, any tea party or birthday party, or even just if you own a bakery or a little shop where you have certain goods, even fruit, just think outside the box of all the different things that you could put on here. You could even put a vegetable tray with some dip on it. It would be really, really cute. So if you're looking for a great set of serving trays that are going to be great for whatever occasion that you have, celebration, holiday, whatever, then you definitely want to check these out.